straight to it. I just wanted to show all of you an updated app design and also a sneak peek into some of the new awesome features. We've got this modern look going on, nice vibrant colors, sharp icons, and overall a much cleaner layout. First thing I wanted to show you are the keyboard shortcuts. So now every tool has a letter associated with it. So you can go in and press D to get into the draw mode, R to get into the rectangle mode, or E to get into the eraser mode. I'm gonna go back to the selection mode. You can also switch between colors using the numpad or just by clicking on them. All right. Finally, we've got this very interesting variable table in the top left. And since I promised you a sneak peek, I want to talk a little bit about it. So for this demo, I'm gonna draw a rectangle. Currently, its width is 42 units and its height is 37. But if I go in here and grab my variable w and drop it in this placeholder, you can see how it immediately adjusts the width to this exact value. You can do a similar thing for height. So now the width and the height match the values of that variable in the table. But that's not all. If I go into the table and I change this width to, let's say, 30 units, press enter, we can see how it immediately adjusts dynamically. So this link remembers the relationships between the table and the shapes. Let me know what you think in the comments section. Bye-bye.